What's going on, YouTube? We back live today. Finally got it. Finally got the motor in the hood back on. Everything running good. We ain't got no leaks. Crank it up, let y'all hear it, man. We still got Cuz working, man. He working on another project for me. I had a couple problems with it. He didn't want to start, man. My starter was bad. I had to replace the starter. Replace the starters. Now everything back rolling good. Pressure gauges. Everything reading good. RPMs is good. Cuz, we ready? She run good though, man. We took it out for a test run. She held up good. Came back, no leak. Nothing was running hot. Thing got some power, man. Got some power, man. I got to do some more cleaning up under here. I actually been working today myself, man. I've been cleaning. I'm dirty. Been cleaning underneath the bottom, man. Oh yeah. I already know it ain't broke in, man. All the parts, everything just been on it. We ain't even took it out on the road yet. We just took it for a test run. Make sure there wasn't no leaks in it. All the vacuums are sealed. Oh yeah. New cam in it. Everything pretty good, don't it? She talking good, she breathing good. Look at the grass. Okay. Got my Bluetooth for my radio. Everything read, man. Everything read. Good local. Good local. Talk to me. Y'all let me know what y'all think, man. Couple more odds and ends I gotta get, man. New reservoir top. I said some more cleaning. I ain't had a chance to clean off none of this, man, but she about to be on the road. About to be on the road. Yes, sir. Interior still nice. You know, I already know it ain't been set in yet. I just like to crank her up and hear her purr, man. You know. But like I said, I've been cleaning myself today up under the fender walls, trying to clean up much of this undercarriage as possible. I don't know if y'all can see too much of it, but I'm actually getting ready to do some painting up under there, man, so we can go on and I can't put her out on the road yet, man, because my brakes done been rusted up so much from sitting up. So, you know, we gotta make sure we A1 before we go out there, man. This thing taking a lot of power right now. We need to be able to stop her. And we also still gonna put the rear end up under there, so that's what I'm getting ready to do. I'm getting ready to paint up under the fender walls, up under the undercarriage as much as I can while we still got some sun today. You know, it's fall season, so ain't no telling how much longer it's gonna be before it get cold. And we're gonna try to put these brakes on there in a couple more weeks and take out on the road, man. When I get out on the road, I'm gonna try to do a video for y'all. Keep y'all updated, man. I know it's been a minute, man, but we've been working. We've been working, man. All right, YouTube, man, we out.